Ever stare at your bank account on payday eve, willing that direct deposit to hit just a little sooner? Let's face it, life doesn't always happen on a bank schedule. Bills come due, unexpected emergencies pop up, and sometimes you just need access to your hard-earned cash a tad quicker. So, if you're a Capital One customer wondering, can Capital One release funds early, then this video is for you. We'll break down Capital One's options for getting your money in your hands faster, explore some of the limitations, and offer some alternative strategies to consider. Now, Capital One doesn't offer traditional early access to funds like some other banks. But they do have a program called Early Paycheck specifically designed to accelerate direct deposits for eligible Capital One checking account holders. Intrigued? Here's how Early Paycheck works. Capital One's Early Paycheck, get paid up to 2 days sooner. If you set up direct deposit for your paycheck into a Capital One 360 checking account, you become eligible for Early Paycheck. This fantastic feature can put your money in your account up to 2 business days before your scheduled payday. Imagine the peace of mind. No more scrambling to cover bills or waiting an extra day to grab groceries. Early Paycheck offers a buffer zone and a little more financial breathing room. But, like most good things, there are a few catches to consider. Not guaranteed. While Capital One strives to make your direct deposit available early, it's not guaranteed. There can be occasional delays depending on your employer's payroll system or other unforeseen circumstances. Eligibility. Early Paycheck works best with traditional direct deposits from your employer. Bank transfers or other deposit types might not qualify for the early access perk. Limits apply. Capital One has transaction and monthly deposit dollar limits for Early Paycheck. If your paycheck exceeds these limits, the early access feature might not apply to the entire amount. Here's a pro tip. Check with your Capital One online banking or call their customer service to confirm your eligibility and any limitations that might apply to your specific situation. Beyond Early Paycheck, alternative strategies for faster access. Even if Early Paycheck isn't going to work for you this time around, there are still ways to potentially get your hands on your money a little quicker. Here are a few alternatives. Mobile deposit. Capital One allows mobile deposits through their app. If your employer issues a paper check, consider snapping a picture of it and depositing it electronically. While funds might not be available instantly, it can shave off a day or two compared to traditional check deposits. Talk to your employer. Open communication can go a long way. If you have a legitimate need for early access to your paycheck, consider explaining your situation to your employer's payroll department. They might be able to accommodate your request, especially if it's a one-time situation. Consider alternative banking options. Some online banks and fintech apps offer features like instant access to a portion of your paycheck upon direct deposit. Do your research and compare options before making a switch, but this could be a solution if faster access to funds is a top priority for you. Remember, there's no magic bullet when it comes to getting your money instantly. But by understanding Capital One's Early Paycheck program, exploring alternative strategies, and potentially looking at different banking options, you can equip yourself with the knowledge and tools to get the access you need to your hard-earned cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and financially empowered.